This is tutorial number 32 and it will be about the shaft feature as we see it here, and it's called in other softwares the revolve. So let's start to make a profile. To make the revolve we need a profile and we need an axis. So let's now draw a line to be an axis. Let's draw it in a different sketch and line, and we can convert it into construction line. Set. So now we have this circle and we have a construction line on sketch 2. So let's select this profile, shaft, and for the axis we can select sketch 2. So let's edit the sketch, make it a normal line, exit. Now let's try the shaft. For the profile we have the axis, let's select this, and for the profile we have this sketch, and let's click preview. So now we have this evolve. And here you can specify an angle 270, and to edit the shaft just simply double click on it. If we want to make a tube we choose thin profile, and here you can see the thickness of 1 millimeter. If we want to make another thickness on the other direction we can write 5 millimeter. Preview, so we'll have 6 millimeter. Press OK. So now let's try another sketch. Let's draw a rectangle and let's draw an axis. And let's exit. We have the axis and we have rectangle on the same sketch, and let's click on revolve. So you notice that the revolve it worked. Press OK.